Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a look using the new Colourpop All Things Equinox palette. If you want to see how I got this look using that palette, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with a shade called Little Dipper. This is going to be my transition shade, so I'm placing it right above my crease, blending it up just a little bit. And I always like to start off with a little bit of product and just build it until it's as dark as I want. And then I always take a clean fluffy brush between each shade and just make sure the edges are nice and blended. Next, I'm using the shade Nebula and placing this right in my crease, blending up just a little bit because I have hooded eyes, so I have to make my own crease by going above my natural crease. Hopefully that makes sense, and I'm just doing the same thing, building it, and then I will take that clean fluffy brush to buff out the edges. Using that same shade, I'm going to buff it all the way across my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking a black eyeliner and lining my lower waterline. You could use a nude if you want, or just skip this step altogether. I feel naked if I don't do this. I always do this step even if I'm doing a natural look. For my lid, I'm taking a flat, dense brush and using the shade Moonrise, which is a really pretty purple shimmer, and I'm just placing it all over my lid. I wanted to brighten up the look a little bit, so now I'm using the shade Infinity and placing this on the inner corner of my lid as well as the very inner corner of my eye. If you've watched my tutorials before, I'm sure you can guess what mascara I'm using. It is my all-time favorite, which is Man Eater by Tarte. Very attractive face I'm making, but I'm finishing off the look with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick and the shade Pillow Talk. So that completes this look. I really hope that y'all liked it, and if you want to see more on the Equinox palette, keep an eye out next week because I'm going to be swatching it. That way you can see all of the colors in the palette, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. But if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.